It's 11:30 and we had another checkout before ako mag-clean. Excited ako dahil I want to convert this area. When we furnished our Airbnb unit, hindi talaga kalakihan ang budget namin. I just made sure we had the essentials. Bed, basic furniture, at mga gamit na kailangan ng guest. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay na muna to. We'll just improve along the way. Kasi napansin ko, madalas sa atin, gusto muna natin maging perfect bago magsimula. Lalo na sa business. We want everything to look Instagram worthy or 100% ready. Pero to be honest, minsan yung perfectionism natin ang nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi tayo makapag-umpisa. Ako, I decided to shift my mindset. Good enough is a good start. Kasi habang ginagawa mo, doon mo mas natututunan kung ano pa talaga ang kailangang ayusin, dagdagan, o baguhin. Example na lang, this small study or work area sa unit namin. Before, sobrang bare niya. Pero lately, marami kaming guests na board exam takers, so I decided to improve this corner. I went to IKEA, got a light na pwede battery operated, and a few decor pieces. Simple lang pero ang laking improvement sa working or study area na to para sa guests. Sometimes, it's not about having the perfect setup right away. It's about starting with what you have and improving little by little. Kasi, habang nagle-level up ang space mo, nagle-level up ka rin bilang host or business owner. So kung nagpaplano ka rin mag-start ng Airbnb or kahit anong business, ito lang masasabi ko. Don't wait for perfect. Just start. The rest, you'll figure out along the way. It's time for me to clean the unit. See you in my next vlog.